In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a short combination to the song Kind and Generous. I call it the Thank You Song by Natalie Merchant. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to click on the link below to get your free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that beginner tap dancers make. Or if you're a dance teacher, get our guide to the 8 strategies to keep your students excited about tap dance. So be sure to click on those and check them out. Let's jump in. Starting with your right foot. Dig, dig, step, step, lap, ball change, clap. Let's roll that again. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Then we'll do the left side. Dig, dig, step, step, lap, ball change, clap. Let's roll that left side again. 6, ready, go. Dig, dig, step, step, lap, ball change, clap. Beautiful. Put it together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Let's roll that one more time. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. From here you have step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, Irish, right foot, stamp. I'm going to show that again. That was step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, Irish, right foot, stamp. Super, my friends. Let's add that on from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1 up and 3 up and 5 up and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. Super, let's hit that one more time. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1 up and 3 up and 5 up and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. From here, your right foot's free. You're going to do stamp, stamp, step, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Stamp, stamp, step, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Let's roll it again. I'll put some counts on it. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. From here, flap, heel, step, heel, flap, heel, step, heel. Again, that was 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And to finish it out, toe, step, step, flap, stamp, stamp, drag. I'll show that again. That was toe, step, step, flap, stamp, stamp, drag. I'm going to show it one more time. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Super, and congratulations, you know the whole combination. Let's rewind back to flap, heel, step. We did that twice, and then that's going to go into the toe, step, step, flap, stamp, stamp, drag. I'll count you in on that flap heel. 5, 6, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Absolutely, we'll do that again. Same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Great. Now let's rewind a little bit further, because before the flap, heel, step, heel, before that we did stamp, stamp, step, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Stamp, stamp, step, step, shuffle, ball change, clap. And then that's how we get into the flap heel. Right after that is the flap heel. I'm going to count you in for the stamp, stamp, step, step. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Excellent. We're going to roll all that again. Same thing. Same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Super! We're going to go back all the way to the beginning. Don't worry if you forgot that. I'm going to be doing it right along with you, so you're all good. Just to refresh your memory, we did start dig, dig, step, step, fall, lap, ball, change, clap. That's our first section. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1 up and 3 up and 5 up and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1. Super! I think we're ready. Let's give it a shot with the music. The song is Kind and Generous, although I call it the thank you song, which it'll be obvious why as soon as you hear it. And it's by Natalie Merchant, and we're going to start at 3 minutes and 5 seconds into the song. Let's try it first at real speed. I think we'll be fine. If it feels too fast, I'll slow it down after that, but we're going to give it a shot at real speed. Oh, while you're here, if you're enjoying yourself, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. We always greatly appreciate it, and anything you write helps us so much. So I'll give you a second to do that now. Thank you so much, and while you're down there, be sure to click on the link to get the free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that beginner tap dancers make. One can actually do damage to your knees, your ankles, and your back, so you don't want to mess with that one. You don't want to make that mistake. Also, teachers, I've got a new one for you, a guide to 8 strategies to keep your students excited about tap dance. It's always way more fun to teach when they're really into whatever you're doing. So I've got some helpful free guide to help you out with that. All right, let's give it a shot with some music and see how it goes. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling like that's a little brisk. So let's drop it down maybe about 10%, get comfortable with it, then we'll work up to 5%, and then back up to real speed. All right, here we go. Let's give it a shot. A little bit slower, about 10% under. Good luck. This should be a little easier. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a much more reasonable speed. We'll roll it again. Same thing, 10% under. Have some fun, and here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's boost it up now to about 5% under tempo. It's a little bit quicker, but hopefully still manageable. All right, here we go. 5% under. Good luck. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push speed-wise, but I think it's still manageable. Let's roll it again, keeping it at that same 5% under tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. going to push it all the way back up to real speed. It may feel a little brisk at first, but after the second run through, hopefully you'll adjust to it and it won't feel quite so rushed. Here we go. Real speed, real deal. You can do this. You can do it. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit it one more time at real speed. Make this your best and good luck. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. I'm going to run it one more time facing you. Pardon me. You're not expected to do it with me. It's just so you can see what it looks like from the front. And while I have it here, I just want to tell you thank you seriously so much for watching my videos, for all of you who leave the comments, for those who go over to unitedtaps.com and make purchases. Basically anyone who hits that thumbs up button, anyone who has watched my videos or supported my work over these many, many years, I really appreciate it. So thank you. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. All right, here we go. With music facing you, if all goes well. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great time with that combination. If you did, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you didn't already, drop a comment down below, please. Anything you put there helps. I'll give you a second to do it now if you did not do it earlier. Cool. Thank you so much. And be sure to hop on over to unitedtaps.com. If you had trouble with this lesson, we have a beginner lesson series that'll give you the skills so you can do a lesson like this with ease and really have fun and enjoy it instead of struggle. We've also got across the floor combinations, practice exercises. We've got tap dance dictionary. We've got a choreography, workouts, because the new year's not that far away. We've got some workouts. We have music. We have a little bit of everything. So if you want to keep tap dancing and having a great time, be sure to hop on over to unitedtaps.com because we have a ton of content to keep you having fun. All right, thank you so much. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.